Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our morning note. A couple minutes early. Happy Wednesday. Today is February 5th, 2020. Let's talk some markets, shall we? Waiting for people to jump on. All right, a couple things first. Futures. Dow futures up 248, NASDAQ up 106, and S&P futures up 29. ADP private payrolls beat, which is pushing the market up. A couple things to look at. Let's look at some pre-market together. Ford is down 7.63% after their earnings report. Tesla looks like it's finally coming down a little bit, down 3% pre-market. Let's see how it does at the open. Apple up, Microsoft up, AMD up. Microsoft, we have calls for our options members. Disney is up after their earnings slightly. Merck is down. Gilead is down. Micron is up with AMD. Like I said, Micron, NVIDIA, AMD kind of moved together. General Electric is up. eBay is down after that push from yesterday. Talk about a merger or an acquisition. Facebook is up. ExxonMobil is actually up today. How about that? Morning, Brandon. Hope everyone's doing well. So this is our pre-market market watch is what we look at. Every morning I post it on Instagram so you guys can see what's moving and what's not. So let's kind of go ahead and take a look at what I'm watching today. Obviously, you know, the elephant in the room is Tesla. Watching Tesla on it. We did a signal yesterday that got 40% in 8 minutes, 44% in 8 minutes. The Tesla 1500 calls. You got that big dip at the end of the day. I have a runner on it, very light risk on it. So again, just a flyer on it. I don't care if it hits or not, just running with it. Microsoft, we have calls. The 182.50 is deep in the money now. I have some square calls right now with the guys. 82 calls should be green today. We should get 40% on both right at the gate. Looking at SPY today as well. Obviously, you see the market pushing. Looks like it wants all-time highs. We're only a couple cents off all-time highs on SPY, I believe. I'd have to look at it a little bit. Let me see on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, 332.95 would be the all-time high. So we're about 70 cents away. Netflix is soaring. We had a trade on Netflix yesterday. We got out at 40%. Our members who got a runner, congratulations. I don't have a runner personally, so you guys can rock that. Congratulations. Netflix, baby. That's right, Brandon. That's right. Okay, a couple of names I'm looking at today. Alibaba I'm looking at today. Let's see if we could play that. AMD I'll be looking at today. Looks pretty nice for a break. It's Wednesday. We could probably play some this week plays. And Square, obviously. Microsoft, we have it. And those are kind of the big ones I may want to jump into today. 3 names I'm looking at to get into. Netflix, maybe the 400 calls for next week, maybe this week. I want to see that price action. Alibaba, definitely want to see that that kind of retracement back to 231.75. Maybe those 230, 235 calls could be interesting if we have some volume. Looking at AMD, AMD could be a nice break of this little wedge here. You can see this nice V-shaped recovery right at that fib, 50.31. If we look at something and we see we could play, we'll probably play some 51s for this week. Again, see the volume. Microsoft, we're going to take at the open. Square, we're going to take at the open with that because we can play puts. Easy. But again, expensive. So just be careful with your risk. Let's see what happens. James says, let's get that lettuce. I agree. Let's get that lettuce. All right, so any questions, feel free to type away. I'll answer for you. Not really much questions. I guess everyone's just happy. Everyone's doing good. Thoughts on Apple? Okay, Apple. I didn't get that question today. Apple, I'm looking at as well. I would like the break of 327.90 first, which is the all-time high, and then we could play the breakout. But again, it does look nice on the hourly. Maybe a 324 break, and then we could play the 330s. But I like AMD and BABA a little more, and Netflix a little more. I want to take a look at those. Morning Juan. Brandon, Amazon. Amazon is just expensive, man. So again, there's other plays that we can play that's probably a little more in your risk range. Amazon is nice, but again, I would want a little more, maybe 2087. But again, it's too expensive. I don't want to risk more than I need to. So again, I'll stick to AMD, BABA, Netflix, maybe Apple. What makes you choose one strike price over another? Volume. Volume is the key. Volume is the key. But again, date. You want to see exactly, you know, you're not going to do so far of the money if you're trading on a Thursday or Wednesday. You kind of want something a little closer. Again, you have to kind of see how the market flows. Good place. 5-0 buy after pullback. I don't know what that means, Brandon. You're going to have to retype that. It's actually green pre-market. I don't know about dead, but we traded that this week and we got it, so we're happy. I do have a runner on Disney. It should be green. I have the 148 calls, and it's green. I don't know what's dead about it. Thoughts on Beyond? Oh, Jesus. Beyond Meat. We just really like those weird, crazy stocks. Again, downward trend. Stay away right now. I don't like it. It's at the 100-day moving average. Again, I'd have to break around 103 to even look at it for the most part. So skip it. Yeah, Tesla, looking at it. 838.11 now, dropping. Looks interesting. Tesla puts would be interesting if it wasn't so damn expensive. So again, we'll see the price action in the morning and see what we get. But again, let's see if we get that bid. Looks like 1,000 could happen today. Again, we need to bid off these lows. It's done it before. But again, it's down today. Let's see what we get. All we can do is react right now. Any other questions this morning? Okay. No other questions this morning? Pretty quick morning note for the most part. All right, so Microsoft is what we have open. We have Square open. Some of our members have Netflix runners. I have a Disney runner running, and it's green. It's pushing now. That's great. Okay, so a couple of names I'm looking at. AMD, Netflix, and Alibaba. Those are the all right, James, have a good one, guys. All right, so no more questions. Pretty light questions today. That's cool. I guess I answered all the questions on the last two IG Lives. Don't forget, guys, today, 8 p.m., investment seminar, long-term investment seminar. We're going to talk stocks, long-term stocks and investing. No options on that seminar. Just answering questions, talking your money and stocks, and go over everything. And yes, I'll see if I can get it recorded. Actually, it'll be recorded on Instagram, so it's perfect. I don't have to record anything. It'll be on YouTube live streaming. So if you have any questions, make sure. I want to see the volume. I haven't seen a lot of volume on it lately, so I can't say we played a lot. But PayPal looks to be good on the breakout. Again, if you have the volume, it could be a nice one. So PayPal does look good, but let's see what happens. Your investment club, do you tell when to send the stock? Yes, but we don't sell a lot of stock, to be honest with you. So don't expect trading because there's no trading in the investment club. All right, guys, have a great rest of your day. Enjoy your Wednesday, and happy profiting.